Hello guys! Turn on my duty. So mahangin and halin sun. So guys, today is Friday and I'm going home. Ito po ay nagbibideo dahil mag-isa lang ako naglalakad. So diba, may papansin na naman. Sana ko ay wala lang, binibigyan ko lang yung sarili kasi mamaya baka kasi may mawag na naman. Guys, look at the view. Going home. It's already 10:27 and today is Friday. So natapos na naman ang araw, awa ng Diyos. Kaya malapit na naman na ako sa baba ng aming accommodation. Malapit lang kasi yung work namin dito. So yan, nandito na ako parking. So guys, kami yun.